Hello students, welcome to the online classes of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of finding pedal equation of the curve r into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2a. Again, I'll recall the process, what to do. Very first, to obtain a pedal equation, we need to obtain the value of pi. Then after getting the value of pi, we need to substitute that in the expression p is equal to r into sine pi. Then after that, we need to eliminate the value of theta. Then we will be getting the relation between p and r. This is the pedal equation. Fine. One by one, let us see. First, let me consider the given curve r into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2a. Since it is a polar curve, so apply log on both sides. Then it becomes logarithm of r plus logarithm of 1 minus cos theta is equal to logarithm of 2a. Both are constant, so I'll keep it in a same term. Then differentiating it with respect to theta, then it provides 1 divided by r into dr by d theta plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta into differentiation of this is 0 plus sine theta, which is equal to 0. Fine. So 1 by r into dr by d theta is nothing but cot pi plus this is nothing but sine theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to 0. Fine. Then what to do? This is nothing but cot pi. I'll be taking it to the other end. Then it becomes minus sine theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, which will be equal to minus sine theta can be written as 2 into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, which is divided by 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 into sine square theta by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, sine get cancels with. Therefore, this will be considered as cot pi is equal to minus cos theta by 2 divided by sine theta by 2, which is nothing but minus cot theta by 2. Minus cot theta by 2. This minus cot theta by 2 can be taken as cot of minus theta by 2, because we know that sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta and cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Fine. Therefore, then it is cos by sine. So it is plus by minus. So it is minus. Fine. Therefore, what is the value of pi now? Pi is equal to minus theta by 2. So this is the value of angle between radius vector and tangent. Fine. Substituting this value in the expression, consider the expression p is equal to r into sine pi. Okay. So substitute in this expression. Then it becomes p is equal to, I'll be substituting the value of pi here. Then it is r into sine minus theta by 2. Okay. Which is nothing but p is equal to r into sine of minus theta. Already we discussed now. That is minus sine theta. So it is minus sine theta by 2. Okay. So I'll be taking it as equation number 2. Then which will be 1? Curve. This is 1 all time. Fine. So this is equal to eliminate the value of theta. To eliminate the value of theta from equation number 1 and 2. So consider both the equations. The equation number 1 is r into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2a. This is 1. 2 is p is equal to minus r into sine theta by 2. This is equation number 2. Fine. From these two, we need to eliminate the value of theta. How do you eliminate? we can see either you make this as sine theta by 2 or this something. But we know that I'll modify equation number 1. From equation number 1, r into 1 minus cos theta. So it is r into 1 minus cos theta. How do you write 1 minus cos theta? 2 times the sine square theta by 2 is equal to 2a. Fine. Therefore, on both sides 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, it is r into sine square theta by 2 is equal to a. Fine. Theta by 2 is equal to a. Then what is sine theta? Sine theta is, sine square theta by 2 is equal to a divided by r. Then if you apply, this is the expression now. Fine. Then here what I do, I'll be taking square on both sides. Then it becomes p square is equal to minus r into sine theta by 2 the whole square. Then automatically what happens? This minus will become plus because it is under square. So it is p square is equal to r square into sine square theta by 2. Therefore, sine square theta by 2 is equal to p square by r square. Fine. So substitute either of these values in other condition. Then it becomes a divided by r is equal to, again I take it as 1 and 2. Use 1 in 2 or 2 in 1, anything. Sine square theta by 2 is nothing but a by r, which is equal to p square by r square. P square by r square. Therefore, if you take r to the other end, it becomes p square is equal to a into r square divided by r. So 1 r get cancelled. Therefore, p square is equal to a into r. This is the expression of pedal equation. Okay, this is required pedal equation. Again, what is pedal equation? Pedal equation is a relation between p and r.